So this is a project that I made. It's a custom shell that I wrote in Java. So right now I'm in the projects directory on my Windows PowerShell. I'll just ls right here. So this is what we've got. And I'm using Gradle to have that all work out here in the command line. So I'm just going to run this with Java. I just did a Gradle build. And here we go. We're right now in the shell that I've made. So I've got some custom commands that I wrote, and then there's also some Windows default ones. So for instance, the first command that we'll talk about that I made, this is a custom one, is the mdir make directory. So I'll just make a directory and we'll call it Johnny. And you can see it says directory created. And now if I list, which is another custom command program, I guess you could say, that I've created, it'll show Johnny, this Johnny directory right here. And now we can even CD into Johnny. So again, that's a custom CD. And let's list here. Obviously, there's nothing. But if we make another directory, let's call it hello. Now we list. There we go. The hello directory is inside of Johnny, and we can CD into that. And we can CD out of it. Let's CD out again. Let's try to delete this by rdir remove directory, Johnny. It says directory is not empty. Okay. So let's CD into Johnny. Let's rdir hello. Good. CD out. Rdir Johnny. Let's list one more time. Okay, so now we're back to where we started. Another custom command that I implemented is the history. So you can see those are all the commands that we did. And something cool about this history command is you can go like this with the up caret. This will run the sixth command, which, as you can see here, is the list. So if I just do that, it'll list it. Let's do history again. And now you can see like the caret 6 is one of the commands that I ran in my history now. Another thing that I've done is ptime. So let's see. This is like the time spent in child processes. Right now it's 0 because we haven't opened any child processes yet. But let's say we do something like ipconfig. That took some time. Let's do ptime again. It took 0.0845 seconds. If we do something bigger like task list, ptime, there we go. So you can see that counts time, not in the shell, but running child processes. And then, so also if you do, let's do task list again, but this time with an and symbol after that, it won't count for child processes time in the ptime function. It'll just kind of run it without wait. It won't wait, or sorry, it will wait for the process to finish before showing you the prompt again. So let's do that. And then it ran it all, and then once I give some keyboard input, then it does it. You can see the ptime didn't change. And then you can also pipe between two external commands in this. So that's pretty cool. You can go like, well, let's list some of the files. Let's do task list, and then the pipe, and let's do find str, I think is what it's called. Chrome. As you can see in this task list, I've got a whole bunch of Chrome processes running. So this it'll run task list, and then it'll run the find string of Chrome, and all of these and all the outputs of the task list. Yeah, so you can see those are all the Chrome ones. So that's pretty cool. And then obviously you can exit with exit. Let's just run history one more time to see all the things we've done. And yeah, you can have multiple commands, multiple arguments, and that's the shell that I've made so far.